Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today I'm back with those old videos which I used to show you tech tips. Yeah, those tech talks. So why am I back at this video? So I found like a cool trick to show you guys. So people are asking me want free Netflix without even the password, without our Gmail account. I will show you the full procedure in this video. So let's begin. Now we are into the screen and you guys will be thinking, is it illegal or authorized? It's authorized by Netflix, so no problem. But the disadvantage is that it has limited shows, so but it would not end like in months. It's just like a free trial, not a 30-day trial. I think it's a lifetime if you want to type it in Google Chrome, so you can try. So just write Netflix. So this is the code. I'm going to zoom it in and press enter. Now look, we have came there. So they're like Stranger Things, like how many shows? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, seven. You'll get total of 7 shows for free. You can watch, but if you want like a full professional trial, just join the 30-day trial. Just click join now. I already have Netflix, so I will not open it. So, but this is like the full trial, and it's quite sick. You can even give like your recommendations. Like you can see how can I watch for free. Look, it's like authorized, so no problem. So I'll read it for you. You can watch some of the great TV shows and movies from Netflix for free at netflix.watch whatever it is the URL. Choose from a variety of TV shows and movies that are available. Watch now for free. You don't have to sign up or register. You can just press play and watch. What can I watch in? So I'm gonna even read this. I'm going to read what the whole procedure. Netflix offers a selection of TV shows and movies. Watch free so you can experience a great content. Netflix to free. So to see what is available to watch free, the selection may change from time to time. So watch now. So you can, and this not, it is not like it would change. This would be like straight. The selection of shows wouldn't be like there for 2 3 years or 1 year. It would be like 2 3 months, 1 month. We don't know even a day. So you can use this URL, even if it's in the link in the description. So that it is for today, guys. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you in next video.